Welcome to telaHosting. In this video, I'll show you how to change the time zone in cPanel Webmail so that your emails display your preferred date and time. By default, webmail applications use the host server's time zone, and if you are in a different time zone, you might want to change this, and you can. Setting the right time zone is important because it helps track your messages accurately, avoid confusion, and helps you manage your emails more efficiently, especially if you're using a professional email account. So let's get started. First, log into your telaHosting account. Locate cPanel in your web hosting services. Click Login and then log into email. Enter your email address and password, then click Login. Once logged in, click Round Queue and look to the left-hand menu. Click on Settings, then select Preferences. Under Preferences, click on User Interface. Locate the time zone option and a drop-down menu comes up. Select your correct time zone. Once selected, click Save. After saving, your email timestamps will automatically update to match the new time zone. You can refresh your inbox to confirm the changes. Here's a helpful tip. If you notice your emails arriving at the wrong time, double-check your time zone settings. This simple fix often solves the issue, and that's how you change the time zone in your cPanel Webmail. Any questions or confusions, do well to drop them in the comments below and we'll attend to them right away. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more easy to follow telaHosting tutorials. See you in the next video.